where I'm going. I don't have a clue where I'm going. Does anyone else know where we're going?
Who put the letters in that order? Who put the letters in the order they're in?
What's wrong, Lizzie?
Who put the letters in that order?
I'm
I think it's time to change everything. To go and look at you or a we told you it was L-E-C-E-N-T-H-I J-K-L 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 J-K-L.
That was lovely.
J-K-L J-K-L.
So just my mates, we went for a little walk around beautiful Nuneaton, and we're really hungover. Oh. Best get off back to the pub, I think. Hear the dog. You know what I'm saying?
How ridiculous.
On the cover of the book.
How we found it. Just exploring one day. We're gonna fall down, aren't we?
Oh. Oh, this is where Tommy breaks his legs, isn't it?
I need a bridge.
I need a crane. Yay!
He was rich, and I remember.
Yeah. So it's parallel to the motorway.
Yeah. And then if you go from Banbury, you can get onto this that then brings you down to Oxford.
Yeah. Towards Warwick. After that way, and we follow the A429 to Oxford.
Okay.
After Oxford, we go down to Newbury. Newbury, Winchester, and after we want to follow this road, the white one.
Okay.
White is a beautiful road, and after Celsius here. So we can do like Petersfield, and after this white road, Chichester, Chelsea.
Boom. Alrighty. Oh, excellent.
If you take that
My young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't spite you for your and she stepped away from me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, till our wedding.
As the days passed, I became more and more aware that this was going to be the last time I was going to spend in England for a while. I'd had such a wonderful time with my loved ones, my friends and my family that it was strange to actually say goodbye until I realised that I'm not saying goodbye. I'm saying until next time. So Edward and I fixed our eye upon the horizon and thought about Papageno, what she was going to bring and what we were going to bring to her. In the Caribbean, I was ready. So it's been an amazing trip. We're just preparing to leave England. It's been really emotional, but we know that it's time to go to the Caribbean. Ready to go, babe?
Yeah. Let's go.
Oosh.
But one has the sorrow that never was said, and I smiled as she passed me with her goods and her gear, and that was
Some yoga. So we have the folding man here, and he's famous in Nuneaton for his folding body.
Voila.
He's gonna. Steve, have you ever done yoga? Example. No. He's never done yoga.
Example, please.
He's never done yoga.
Exercise.
Oh man, where is he? Where is he?
Put your head behind your legs, what you just did.
Lizzie, up to you.
There's a trick.
She touched the floor.
Oh, that hurts so much. Tune in next time.
More booze. That's
More booze. Alright, let's go get a drink. Back for me. Ready? Just press it under. Shut up, you. I'm doing it with style.
Okay.
Now for me!
Say, stick cheese.
Stinky cheese.
Say, stinky cheese. Say that again. I do it.
You're recording a video, aren't you? Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah, it's that you're recording a video at the moment.
You're gonna have to sort. New camera footage. Oh my god.
And you can zoom here.
Ooh. You look good in HD, babe. I've just finished editing this video, and if you got this far, I hope you enjoyed it, but just realised that is the last of the French Diaries, because you know why? We go to the Caribbean tomorrow. And it's a really good feeling. It's it hasn't, I don't know if it's sunk in yet. I think I'm just so glad to no longer be waiting, and it's here, it's happening. So next episode you watch after this will be the Papageno Diaries. So hope you enjoy that. Till then, all the best.